Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install programming language Python on Ubuntu Linux. So let's get into the practical.
To install Python application, type sudo apt install python 3 python3-pip-y. Pip is the package management system written in Python used to install and manage software packages. It connects to an online repository to public packages called the Python package index. Put your sudo user's password. Installation has been started. To check pip installation status, type pip install requests. Now I am going to create a folder or directory named test. Get into the test directory. I don't have Vim editor, so I have to install it first. Okay, done. Now time to write a Python script. Vim is a file editor, hello is a file name, and .py is the extension of Python. Press insert or I key to unlock the editor. Watch my steps. Save and exit by pressing escape WQ and hit enter. Our Python file is created. Let's run the file. Type python3 hello.py. Yes, our Python script runs successfully. This is our Python version 3.9.5. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeful videos. Thank you.